Okay, today is Sunday, April 1st, 2018. This is day number 13 of my Whole90 or 90-day Whole30 challenge, whatever you want to call it. Got on the scale this morning and I would now weigh 15 pounds, which is only a 0.2 pound reduction since yesterday, which is I don't know if momentum slowed or if it's just I know you plateau sometimes, and whatever. I'm confident it'll pick back up, so um, no worries there. Just a real quick rundown of my day today. For breakfast this morning, we actually had a breakfast potluck, Easter potluck for church at church for Easter Sunday. So we made a casserole. It was really good, really healthy too. Had a base of sweet potatoes, and no, bear with me here, a layer of Brussels sprouts, bear with me, and then a layer of sauteed onions, layer of bacon, and then some eggs mixed with some nutritional yeast, which gave it a nice cheesy flavor. I mentioned that in my video yesterday, and some almond milk. That was it. And then just put all that in the oven. Put it in the pan, put it in the oven. I'll leave the recipe on my blog. You can find that link in the description below. Let's see. Then for lunch, wasn't hungry at all. I ate quite a bit of that casserole. It was really good, and I think people could tell it was healthy because it didn't go really fast. So then for dinner. We had some leftovers. I just had a few bites here and there. Really still wasn't all that hungry. So I don't know if I'll eat breakfast tomorrow. Might fast through breakfast. We'll see how I feel in the morning. So anyway, that's my day. If you would like to follow my progress, please be sure to subscribe. And you can check my blog for regular updates. I've been a little slow on posting updates recently. This weekend, just been busy. So I'll try to get those up tomorrow, and I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video.